This is my screencast of my OneNote folders and notebooks. So over here on the left, you have my social skills notebook and my notebook labeled Bo, which is my son. So in my social skills notebook, it will pull up, it's loading. Here it is. It will pull up the notes and pages I have listed here. So this is just my effective tactics to social skills and some notes I took on that. And then if you click on this section of it, it takes you to my PDF that I copied into here. And there's my highlights. And to highlight, I just hit this and then simply just use my cursor to go around like that. And down here you see I have another one, and I just clicked a different color with my highlighter. I go over here to my social skills images. Here's some images I found on the CC website, and I will use these to explain my article a little bit better and how social skills work. If you click these 3 lines, you can click on my next folder, which is labeled Bo. And here it is loading again. So in this page, I basically just have some stuff I need to do for him, and then another page, and it's untitled because I don't have anything in it yet. And then if you click on Bo's doctor, here's some things I typed in. So his is at Greenbush Pediatrics, some problems that are occurring with him. He's a cold right now. And then here's some more pages I was going to load some stuff into. So basically that's it. I hope you liked it, and I hope you know how to use this OneNote app a little bit better. Thanks.